What is going on, my party people? It's Emoneyshoes here with another steals and deals review. As y'all didn't know, it's Air Max month, but y'all already know the Air Max line has been anything but stellar. Honestly, it has been a disappointment, but Foot Locker has been having a lot of steals and deals. Every place, you got to ask for a receipt, right? Every place trying to go paperless now, do all this stuff. So it's kind of easy to keep up. You got your technology, right? You got to worry about all this paper. Just show them receipt on your phone and you will be all good. These I got for pretty good. I think it's like $54, $10 off, like $45, $46. The tax is pretty cheap here on the aisles. Now, it's always, right, I got to get it together. This is pretty much the end of the first quarter, right? Going into the second quarter, I know everybody want to do it on feet. I got to start doing it on feet. Bear with me here. I know it's going to be a work in progress. Don't expect no spinning around, dancing all over the place like my TikTok. That's just not going to happen. Shout out to everybody for stopping through for the Who Has the Heat pairing. We're going to be on and popping next Sunday. I'm not saying the next Saturday. And we're going to let everybody know who's going first. We're going to have a face-off, so be on the lookout for that. Like I said, go subscribe to the sis. She on the way to 1K, 313 Retro Cream with the bros on the way to 5K. PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF. Don't forget to check out my feature channels. T.R. Natty, Jonah Foss, Melanie Sweden, Pam M, Ashley Reviews. All right, don't forget to check them out as well. Now, enough of that talking. A lot of people like, what? All that talking, just get into the review. But everybody knows if you do YouTube, you're supposed to do 10 minutes. My videos still don't hit 10 minutes because I just don't have that much to talk about. So let's get into it. These are PP. I'm probably gonna keep these. Not sure yet. I got some more reach backs to grab, as y'all been seeing on IG. But this box is all beat up, so I'll probably just keep these. Like I said, resale, I do resale now because I'm not gonna spend all my money getting the shoes that I want. These grails are expensive as hell. So Finance 101 says, do what you gotta do to get what you gotta do. Some people say, fuck the bills, buy the shoes. Oh, did I say that? Sorry, censor. All right, Nike Air Max 1, size 10.5, white, deep royal blue. Suggested retail price on these $120. Like I said, they $54 right now. You got coupons, you can use that, all of that good stuff. Use those surveys that give you $10 off. I mean, it's worth something, especially on those shoes like these. Make it $44, the same thing. So, hey, any little discount, I am all for it. Mr. Cheapo over here. That's how you keep building a collection. You don't just go all out. You be patient. If I was a bigger YouTuber, yeah, maybe I may jump on the early stuff. Nah, well, I'm over that buying stuff early. I need to steal and deal. Now, you got the stamper ramp up there. You got the paper. These are very, very clean and bland. You got the Captain America look on these two, or Spider-Man look. Air Max 1 thing. Some people don't like them because they run narrow, but they're a fresh pair of kicks because you can kind of wear these with anything, blue jeans, white jeans, right? But you just got to know how to rock it and have the swag. So we spin it around a little bit. You got that Nike Air on the booty. Some people like preferred leather. They don't like the nylon material. But for the price, what you can do, right? What can you say? And then you already know Air Max 1, like these are narrow. So make sure you do try them on. So you got hits red, white, and blue. You already know got that 4th of July theme to it. Like I said, Captain America, Spider-Man. You got that suede, and ain't no back booty stroke in this. Here, you're gonna have to go crepe, because this white gonna get dirty. All you need to do is weigh some fruit punch right there, and you will be pissed, right? Then you got up here, you got Nike Air with the trademark R. Very, very dope in my opinion. You turn around on the side, you can see you got that red air unit in there. Very, very dope. You gotta keep this clean, because this definitely probably gonna get scuffed. So no need to rub up against anything. Your hits are red here. Yeah, I like this swoosh here because it's etched in red. Like y'all already know, red is my favorite color. And you got a little bit of tumble rumble in there. A little bit, just a little. If I get up close and personal, you can see it right so. Turn around on the back. I always like when Nike does the stitched in Nike Air, like you see it right here. I think that's a very, very dope touch. And you got the nylon in the back right here, which is very, very dope. Coming around on this side as well, like I said, you got this piece here, the nylon, you got leather, and you got the stitching here. And inside it's pretty much the same thing. You got your red air unit. Like I said, I'm just gonna crate this part. Hopefully I don't be lazy and wasting in pink or red, or I'm gonna be really, really pissed. And then you see you got the eyelets, or the right here for your lace holders. They're blue, which is very, very dope. Inside you got the red sock liner, and you got Nike Air with the trademark R's on both sides. I went 10.5 because these run narrow. So if you got like flat feet, you might want to get it a little bit bigger so it won't be squeezing the hell out of your toes at the top. And you'll be in there screaming like Mike and Janet. And these are the new joints because they got the QR code on it. Production date was 12/18/18 to 3/18/19. So not bad, not bad at all. So only a little bit meter. So very, very clean shoe for the price. Air Max Mom, traditional shoe. You can't go wrong with that. I give these a 4.5 out of 5. All right, 4.5 out of 5. Y'all let me know what you think. It's a very, very clean shoe. And I'm very, very happy with this purchase. So we shall see what happens. So don't forget to tell a family member, friend. We on the way to 10K. Slowly but surely, not in a big rush. Like I said, maybe make a big push toward the end of the year, because I do like to do my giveaways toward the end of Christmas. I know 2020 has been a rough year for us all. We didn't anticipate this, but we just gotta keep pushing, hug your loved ones, give people their flowers while they're here, and stay prayed up and stay blessed. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.